Today I'm here to share this rust-proof corner shower caddy. This was gifted to me by the company and it is far superior to any shower caddy I've ever used. This shower caddy comes with 4 different bars, so that way you can extend it from 56 inches all the way up to 114 inches. You need to measure the area where you're going to place the bar, and then you'll determine the amount of rods you'll need according to the instruction. I only needed to use 3 of the rods, and it was super easy to put together. Once it was all put together, I then measured the rod and then extended it out 2 inches longer than what my opening was. Then you just tighten the knob, that way it's locked into place. Then you will just install it in at an angle and you'll see that the knob is towards the ceiling. The hanging baskets are really great because they have this rubber area that just holds it right into place, and it just makes it really easy to install it exactly where you want, and of course you can make any adjustments that are needed. The whole setup probably took only 10 to 15 minutes and it was way less intimidating than what I thought. It has this great little basket as well as 2 hooks that you can either use for razors or also to hang different items on, and a washcloth towel bar. Shower caddy can accommodate so many bottles of shampoos and body scrubs and razors. It really has a ton of room, which is great for me because I use so many different shampoos and conditioners, and my husband gets really annoyed by how many bottles I have in there. This shower caddy has a large capacity and is perfect for families.